photoelectric effect. So after studying the photoelectric effect, scientists they came to conclusion that when a radiation having a certain frequency incidence on a metal surface, then electrons were emitted from those metal surface, and they are known as a photoelectrons. So let me just write here. So when a zinc plate which is charged negatively and exposed to ultraviolet rays, then electrons were observed to be emitted. Similarly, when the zinc plate which is charged negatively, which is charged positively, and exposed to ultraviolet rays, then no electrons were observed to be emitted. So when zinc plate it is charged negatively and exposed to ultraviolet rays, so the electrons were observed to be emitted. Similarly, when the same zinc plate which is charged positively and it is exposed to ultraviolet rays, so no electrons were observed to be emitted. That means the emission of an electrons from the metal surface is known as photoelectric effect, and the emitted electrons are known as photoelectron. So when the metals like zinc, cadmium, selenium were exposed to ultraviolet rays, the electrons were observed to be emitted. This is right. Similarly, when the metals like potassium, sodium were exposed to visible light rays, photoelectrons were observed. So not only in metals, photoelectric effect can be observed in non-metals also. but it requires the high frequency radiation. High frequency radiation. Also, the photoelectric effect can be observed in liquid and gas in form of an ionization. We can see also photoelectric effect can be observed in liquid and gas in form of ionization. So, what we can conclude from this photoelectric effect is when the radiation of certain wavelength incidents on the metal surface, so not needed it should be metal only, also we can see that in non-metals, also in liquid and gas, when the electrons they emit from the surface of a metal, or in terms of liquid and gas, positive and negative charges they get separated. The separation of electrons, it is known as a photoelectric effect. So, experimental study of photoelectric effect. So, in this experiment we are going to see how does the photoelectric experiment was conducted. So, the apparatus for this experiment, it consists of a discharge tube. As we can see, this is the discharge tube having a window. This is the window of the discharge tube from where the radiation it can enter inside, and it consists of two metal plates. We can see here, one is cathode. Cathode is connected with negative terminal of a battery, and anode it is connected with a positive terminal of a battery. Also, it consists of milliammeter for the measuring of current, and voltage it measures the voltage potential difference between the circuit, that how much potential it has been developed while passing the electrons through the circuit. So, this process it is very simple. So, the source it produces or it emits the radiation. For example, we can take ultraviolet rays, microwave, infrared or visible light ray or X-rays. So, these are the source. From the source, radiation it enters inside the discharge tube through the window. So, when the radiation of suitable frequency incident on this metal surface. So, this metal we can use sodium, potassium, zinc, selenium, any metal surface. So, then when the radiation incidents on the metal surface, electrons they gets emitted. The emitted electrons, since they are negatively charged, it accelerate towards the anode. So, we can see in figure. So, since anode it is positively charged, they will attract the negatively charged electrons. Then electrons it will reach towards anode and flow through the circuit. While flowing the electrons through the circuit, milliammeter it measures the current. Also, there will be change in potential, it is measured by voltage. Then the electron it will flows towards the battery, which neutralizes the positive charge of a battery, and further excess electron it will move towards the anode, as it will move towards the cathode, and this process continues until the battery gets discharged. So, this is an experimental study of a photoelectric effect in a simple manner.